Right, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Alright, so what's good YouTube? It's your man, the son of some man.
My son, who's my son? Who's my son? Who's my son? Who's my son?
And we are back with another video. What's up guys? What's going on? How's everyone doing? I hope everyone has had a great start to the spring, as today is the first day of spring 2023. If you are brand new to the channel, please do me a favor, hit that subscribe button down below, as we are on the journey to gain 10,000 subscribers. And if you hit that subscribe button, you would be helping us do that much faster. So please do me a favor, hit the subscribe button down below. Also, you're brand new, you're most likely going to want to get notified every time we drop a brand new video around here. And we try to do that consistently every single day. So please do me a favor, just hit the little notification bell down below and it'll do just that. It'll let you know every time we drop a brand new video. Also guys, before we get into it, you see the sweater? Probably digging it. If you're interested, 8 and 9, links in the description. Use my code SOMEMAN, save 15% off your entire purchase. But now let's get into why we are here today. Let's get into why you clicked that thumbnail, because I'm excited about this sneaker. If you can't tell, then I don't know what to tell you. All right, guys, we're here. Let me move this bottle of water. You know what, guys? Let me take some water first. I literally just stepped in from work. Wasn't such a crazy day, but we got him, guys. I told you I would get him, and I got him. Now, I had to sacrifice 3 pairs of sneakers to get this shoe because I was not paying resale. Just like I said to you guys before, I'm not going to give somebody money that I don't know who it is. I went to District 1. They have a reputation to, keep up to par. So I do actually trust them. I dealt with them a bunch of times. I haven't seen a UA pair of these, which maybe I'll do that. Maybe I'll get a UA pair and we could do a UA versus, authentic or retail, whatever you guys want to do. But all right, enough talking, Ed. Let's get into the shoes. Now guys, make sure you subscribe to the channel because tomorrow we're going to be doing a review and we're going to be doing it on foot of this shoe right here. The Air Jordan 4 Pine Green Nike SB. Yo, this sneaker is so fire. The material, the build, just everything about this sneaker is just stupid fire, bro. Yesterday I took my kids to the city. I was gonna make a trade. Well, I made the trade for this pair of shoes. I actually traded the white cement 3s, I traded the yellow toe Air Jordan 1s, and I traded the Union lows. Now, some people are probably like, "Oh, Ed, you traded so many sneakers for that." But like I said, I didn't want to pay, I didn't want to pay $450 was what they wanted for this shoe, or $430. Yeah, it's right there. $430 they wanted just for this one shoe. And I'm glad I got a size 12 because I don't know if you guys remember in yesterday's video. If you haven't seen that, click the link at the top of the screen. It'll take you directly to that video. But make sure you bring your behind back over here. But I was saying how the Air Jordan 4 size 11.5 was kind of fitting me tight. So when they said they only had a size 12, I was like, you know what? I think that's going to work. I haven't put them on yet. I'm super excited to do that. I'm not going to do it until I put them on, so I do the video tomorrow for the review and on foot. These actually drop tomorrow, so make sure you guys stay tuned to the channel. I truly appreciate you guys from the bottom of my heart, man. We got the sneaker that we were set out to get. Super happy about this. But guys, I want to thank you guys so much for tuning in. I truly appreciate you guys from the bottom of my heart, man. Let me tell you something. Guys, this year is our year. It's your man, the son of some man, and we're out, guys. Peace.